So we got this bench from a relative and it has storage inside, and I'm going to be putting it right here, and I'm going to declutter the kids' bubbles and different outdoor play stuff and try and minimize it and put it inside the bench and figure all of this out and just make it look a lot prettier out here. So let's get started. Today's video is also a part of the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. She puts on this collab every week with a bunch of other content creators to bring you cleaning motivation, tiny tasks around your home to get your to-do list done to make a small difference in your cleaning tasks as we start off the week. So there will be a playlist linked down below for you to check out the other content creators bringing you their tiny tidies, and there will also be a link to Sunday Dawn's channel down below in the description box as well. And I believe this is the 100th episode, so congratulations to Sunday Dawn and all of the tiny tidiers for 100 episodes. I have not done all 100 episodes. I joined somewhere in between that, and I participate here and there, but that is awesome. Way to go on tiny tidying every Tuesday for 100 episodes, and that is awesome. While I am tackling this task, I also want to go ahead and introduce myself. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an almost 9-year-old, a almost 4-year-old, a 6.5-year-old, and an almost 1-year-old. So here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around and join me here, and hopefully we will inspire you along the way. So I was warned that there was not a lot of storage in this bench, but I still needed to go ahead and try it. Move the shelf, see what I could fit in there. But I knew, like these bigger toys on top for the water table, I knew they weren't going to fit. So we needed to put the shelf back and put the big things on top, put the bins back in. I was able to put one of the bins for now inside the bench, and there is still some more storage in there. So that is great. But now this space is refreshed, decluttered, and ready for spring. It was super, super cold when I was doing this, so I was trying to do it quickly. The kids have a card table outside, and some rain got into it, and the water was frozen in it, so it was pretty cold. But tackling this, we will be ready for spring. Do not recommend tackling your outside space in the winter, but we got this bench, and I needed to make sure that it was where I wanted it, so it was out of the way and we could use it. So that is all for today's video. A quick video to motivate you for the week. Definitely don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist linked down below for more tiny tidies from other content creators to give you the motivation you need for this week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.